For the first DIY, we'll need some decorating beads, a small straight stick, some bangles, some different color yarns. Now I am going to wrap around the stick by using brown yarn. After that, I'm gonna wrap all the bangles by using green yarn. Now you have to take 5 pieces of yarn, hang them from the stick by making knots. I also decorate the yarns by using some beads. Attach all the bangles with the yarn and maintain the V-shaped sequence like this. Now for making tassels, we will need a small folded paper, then normally wrap the yarn on it. Cut a small piece of yarn, insert into the loop and then make a knot. To secure it, make another 2 knots. Remove the yarn loop from the folded paper. Now again cut a small piece of yarn, wrap it on the top of the loop and make a knot. Cut off the excess part. Trim the end part of the loop. Tassel is ready now. We will need 5 tassels like this. Now attach a tassel with a bangle by making knots. Cut the excess and keep doing this with all the bangles. For the hanging purpose, I am gonna bind a small thread decorated by small beads at the middle of the stick. Now this is almost ready. Now I am decorating the stick by using this sticker. This step is completely optional. Finally, the first DIY is ready. For the second DIY, we will need violet color yarn. You can also use another color, some coloring chart papers and also black chart papers, 3 cardboard pieces, some decorating stickers. I have already cut the cardboards into 3 different size squares. You can see the measurement on the screen. Now I am going to cut the black cardboard papers according to those square shaped cardboards. Now I am gonna affix all the black chart paper pieces on the same size square cardboard pieces by using glue. Now again I have cut this coloring chart paper into 3 different size squares. The sizes are shown on the screen. Now I am going to use this design tape around the edge of the squares. Then I'm affixing the color chart paper piece on it. I'm doing the same thing with all squares. Now I am drawing circles on the yellow paper to make paper flowers. We need 6 circles to make one flower. You can increase or decrease the flower size by changing the diameter of this circle. Then you have to cut off the circles from the sheet. Take a circle, fold it and press the folded part and fold again. Press the left part, don't press the right part, and now again fold like this. Use glue to secure the folds. You have to make 6 like this for one flower. Attach all the flower parts by using glue. You have to make 3 different size flowers like this. Now attach the flower on the middle of the square. Use a bead at the middle of the flower. Now I am decorating all the squares by using these decorating stickers. All the 3 squares are ready now. Now you have to make 7 tassels by using violet yarn. I have already told you how to make these tassels in first DIY. Attach the tassels at 2 corners of each square by using adhesive tapes. After that, attach the squares using glue in descending order. Lastly, bind a thread at the top square for hanging purpose. Okay, now it is ready. To make the third DIY, take a ring. Normally wrap around the ring by the white yarn. Then take a bangle and wrap the white yarn on it. You will need some different color yarns. Make 12 tassels by using those yarns. I have already told you how to make these tassels in the previous DIY in this video. Now attach all the tassels with the ring by making knots. Now attach the bangle with the ring by using this white yarn, like this. Now make some coloring paper flowers. I have already said how to make this in second DIY. Now attach all the paper flowers by using glue like this on the thread. Finally, the last DIY is ready.